Hello, my name's Small from student ID U1668031, and today I'm going to be showing you my portfolio site. So we'll start with the settings. So on general, I've changed the site title, I've changed the tag, the date format and the time format. On reading, I've changed it to a static page so that it can have an individual blog page. On discussions, I've allowed people to post comments. The commenter must fill out a name and email to avoid spam. Email notifications will be sent to my email when I actually get a post on the site. And comments have to be approved by me in case they are inappropriate. On permalinks, I've changed the post URL, for accessibility. So let's go to my actual site. So this is the home page. I've created a menu to help navigate through the actual site. That's a custom menu which I'll show you now. Created that through the appearance menus. So as you see here. And then I've actually categorized the blog posts as well, which are on posts, categorize. So I've added a personal, news and web design development. The theme has a responsive layout, which I'll show you now. So as you can see, when it shrinks, it's actually responsive. That's on all the pages as well. I've used Bootstrap, which is responsive framework. I chose this basic theme as it allowed me to customize the site to a higher level than a template would. I created a child theme for this theme so that I could actually edit the CSS, which I'll show you now. Which is themes. So I can see there's a child theme there. I use that using a plugin, which is child theme configurator. So I'll show you the CSS what I've edited, and that's in the editor. So with the CSS, I wasn't happy with the width of the page container, so I changed it to 100%. Then I changed the size of the main class, the site main class, to 80% and centered it so that it was in the middle of the page. I added some styling to the header, giving it some colours and the font to a light colour to stand against the dark background. I wasn't happy with some of the styles on navigation, so I removed the padding and the border. That's pretty much it for my CSS. It's basically just controlling the layout and the position of everything on my page. So I installed some plugins. So I'll show you the plugins what I've installed now. So I use a child theme configurator. I use the Akismet, I think it's pronounced, to help with spamming. I used the Jetpack to help with security and image optimization and traffic on my site. And I use the Yoast SEO to help with my search engine optimization. I also use a page builder by Site Origin to help with widget placement. So let's go back to my site. So I created a home page for the face of my website. I created a section about me, which briefly talks about where and what I study. I added some photoshopped images of myself into this. I saved it as a PNG file because I needed a transparent background, and JPEGs didn't allow this. I've created the code images as seen below. That's also on WordPress. They were saved as PNG file as they had limited colour which was suitable for file size. So on my blog page, that's where all my posts go basically. categorised those as shown before. I also had a category sidebar throughout the page to help navigate for my posts, obviously when more are added. Created a projects page, which is a brief description of projects, what I've done. Again, there's not much to show at the minute, but in the future there will be. And finally, I created a contact me page. So all these are actually working links to my mobile number, my Facebook, and my email. So I'll just demonstrate one of those. Best demonstrating my Facebook and emails. And that is it for my site. So I'm going to show you my EPUB book now. Just give me 1 second. So this is the EPUB book I created. I originally downloaded it as a zipped file and extracted it. I edited the CSS files in here. Just some simple edits, like the colour and the font family. Then I ran it through Calibre, and then it reconverted it back into an EPUB book. So, and that's what it came up as. Thank you for my time. That's some of them.